we got our measuring cups. You know what that means? Cute kid cooking.
We got this bowl. And we got this pan.
We have how many pans today?
2.
We have 2. We're gonna make a Kit Kat candy corn basket cake today.
Yeah.
It's gonna be so fun. So come along with us.
We got this and this. We got these eggs.
Yeah.
And we got this
A whisk.
We got this whisk.
We are gonna make chocolate fudge cake for our basket cake. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
My mom always put this on, and we always put this on in here. My mommy
Dump it. Don't. Get the hot corner. Let it out. You hold it from the right up here all dainty, and then just... Alright, let go of your fingers. Thank you, miss. Oopsies, I just spilled on you. Alright, well, we need wet ingredients, don't we? Okay, we need 1 1/4 cups of water.
Okay.
Okay.
Mix.
Have 1 1/4. Go ahead, pour that in. Alright, and then I'll get the other 4 from the measure.
Can I mix it?
You can start mixing it. Just leave it in there.
Okay.
Not let it out, right? Doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doo. Twink.
Mix
Vegetable oil. Half a cup. Hold it over top. Good girl. Put her in there. Beautiful.
Not coming out, Mom.
Good. 3 eggs. You did a great job. All right, keep going. Today, we're not going to make the same mistake we made with the peppa cake. We're going to bake our cakes, and then we're going to put them in the freezer.
Yeah.
And then we'll frost them tonight.
Mom.
Thanks, buddy. Eggs. Wait, 1 at a time, okay? Ready? Oh, yeah. That may have been the... spoke too soon. The best cracked, and then... disaster. Ready? Here comes another one.
Did not get me.
I'm not going to get you, dirty. Probably famous last words. Alright, it's pretty full, so make sure you don't accidentally spill. Alright, go for it. Alright, we're gonna divide the batter in half, I think, and put it between the 2, because I really don't want it. Oh, look at you! It's very wet. Hopefully not too wet.
Hopefully not too wet.
Hopefully.
It's a little bit wet.
Just a little bit wet.
Just a little bit wet.
Cool.
Mix.
Mix. Ooh. Put the eggs away before anything bad happens.
It looks like I'm making happy. I feel we're all done.
Oh, let me take a turn. Can I have a turn? Ooh, I feel lots of lumps and I see lots of eggs. You're not quite done. So we'll keep stirring and we'll pick back up with you. Hi, now the cakes are divided and it's time to put them in the oven. Who are you going to be?
Wendy.
She wants to be Wendy and I'm going to be Peter Pan. I don't know how Peter Pan does with cake, but we're about to find out. Let's put them in the oven and cook. What is it doing? It's baking. Is it going to take a long time?
Yeah, it's gonna take a long more.
Where are you going, Wendy? Bye. All right, 30 minutes and we'll see what happens.
coffee.
It's time to put Kit Kats around it like a nice little basket or fence. You ready?
Yeah.
Just like this. Can you do that? Perfect. What?
We did it.
Did we? Okay, now the decision. Do you want pumpkins
Yeah, pumpkins.
or candy corn?
Pumpkins.
You want pumpkins? Okay, do you want to make little vines of icing with it?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. Alright.
Got the pumpkins.
I need scissors.
Now you can do it by yourself and you can move it.
I'll get scissors. I can't do it. I'm not strong.
But I can even to help you.
I can't hulk out enough to do it. Alright, let me get you a little bowl.
Mom, we're going to do a pumpkin patch.
I think that's super cute and adorable. And now I wish we would have used chocolate frosting all the way around.
We're making
Well.
a pumpkin patch.
Oh, how cute is that?
We're making a pumpkin.
Oh, crap, this is gel kind, not this. Not what I thought it was. Oh well. Is it? Huh. Is it really? Did I? What are the instructions? I probably should have read.
We're making a pumpkin patch. We're making a pumpkin patch.
We are. It is so cute too. Yep, it's really I don't know. There we go.
We're making a big fat pumpkin patch.
Okay.
We're making a big fat patch.
Oh, how cute.
We're making a pumpkin patch.
We are.
That's gonna be so cute.
It is so cute. Thanks. Keep going. More pumpkins.
More pumpkins and we're gonna make a yummy one.
Mm-hmm.
Do the yummy one. I don't know we're gonna lay one.
Oh, we lost one.
That's okay.
It's okay.
We're gonna just keep doing it.
Yeah, we are. Good choice. Good spot. Oh, that's good. Thanks, man. Okay. Think we need more? There you go.
I can get Mom,
You're gonna do it?
I'm gonna do it.
Alrighty. Right in there. Job. How about over there? Alright. Good job. Okay, I think that's good. Do you need any more pumpkins? You think you got enough?
I think I got enough.
I think you probably are close.
I think we're all almost close.
I think that's good.
Later.
That looks perfect to me. Alright, last thing. We're going to add a little bow around it. And then we can show off our handiwork to Daddy. And Grammy and Granddad are here too. If I can open up the bow. Emma picked out cute little... What? What are those? What are these?
Ow.
Cute little owls to be in the pumpkin patch? I think they're adorable. Just for decoration, aren't they? They are super cute.
It's just amazing cake.
Mm-hmm.
Yummy.
eat it.
Look,
But you get the idea. No, we are not artistic. And this was a fail in the small details. But look at our pumpkin patch cake! Should we show our family?
Yeah.
We should invite everybody up to see our cake! Let's do it.
Oh, it's beautiful. I love it.
Oh, yay!
Oh, that's so good. You did a good job.
You did so good.
That is so pretty. Oh, Brandon, look at this cake.
Wow.
A not
Pumpkin patch cake.
complete fail.
Look, Dad, how
That is
pretty.
nice.
Look at Dad.
Isn't
Wow.
that pretty?
That looks awesome.
She
That
did a
is
good
beautiful.
job.
You did good.
Yes. Yay.
Oh, yay. Yeah, you can go with them. So there it is, the pumpkin patch cake of 2019. It looks good, enough to eat, and that's all it has to be. The great pumpkin is rising out of the pumpkin patch to give presents to children all over the world. So we're gonna eat this cake. Hopefully it's delicious. It's cake, it has to be. And I'm pretty proud of how it turned out. Not a fail! Yay! Emma did a good job. And one day we're gonna figure out how to ice a cake because I still need some lessons on that. If you have advice, I could use it. So thanks for watching our little pumpkin kitchen adventure. Cute kid cooking. She did a good job. So subscribe, hit the bell button, give it a thumbs up if you're super proud of Emma and that our cake didn't totally fail. And we appreciate it. Remember, Disney's just a dream away. You guys are great for watching. There's a little peeker. Deek deek. She did a good job, and happy harvest and fall and Halloween, whatever. Pumpkin time is here and I am psyched.